Hi friends, so I'm very excited to share with you this amazing thing about YouTube, and I've been on YouTube for more than 10 years. As you can see, this plaque, I received this plaque in 2018, and I remember I was making at least $100 every single day just from YouTube, and a month I was making around $1,000 up to $3,000 just from YouTube. So I'm so moved to record this video because I want everyone to go ahead and create a YouTube channel. I know there are a lot of people right now they want to create a YouTube channel, but they really don't know like what exactly they should be posting on YouTube and all that. So in today's video, I think I found the best way for you to go viral and the best way for you to be successful on YouTube, but to build generational wealth through YouTube. So I was passing through different YouTube channels today and I found this amazing guy. His name is Marwa. He's from Kenya, Africa. And he's just younger. I think he's only 35 or 34 years old, but he has massive success. So in order for you to understand like what I'm really talking about, this guy he makes at least $10,000 up to $20,000 every single month just from ad revenue from YouTube. This is a reasonable amount of money, especially if you're from Africa. To make such amount of money, you must be a very educated person, or you must be, a very big businessman to make at least $10,000 every single month. So this is the amount of money that this guy makes every single month just from YouTube. And in order for you to really understand like what I'm really talking about, you have to go to his Instagram account right now. You have to search I am Marwa, and you can see the beautiful houses that he built for himself. And he said that this house was built from the money that he got from YouTube, and you can see how beautiful this house is. And not just house, this guy he owns more than two cars which are very expensive, and is living comfortable life, amazing life from Kenya, Africa. So I'm gonna tell you the best way for you to go ahead and start a YouTube channel. This guy is no different from us. He just wakes up in the morning, he records different videos like different activities that he does from morning up to evening, how he interacts with other people around him, how he talks with other people, and he posts these videos on his YouTube channel. And after that, he gets this amount of money every single month. So if you're thinking about creating a YouTube channel right now, especially this year 2026, I think you should just start vlogging. Vlogging is becoming more and more common. It was there before, but right now I think there are a lot of people right now they don't actually watch TV, so instead they just go on YouTube and they start watching these vlogs and all that, and they fall in love with creators that are posting every single day. So if you really want to change your life right now, if you really want to build the good brand for you, I think the best way is for you to go ahead and start posting vlog. And you just don't have to think you have to travel here and there for you to get this audience and all that. No, you just have to post your life. You just have to be authentic, and you wake up in the morning, you start posting like your daily activities, like how you wake up in the morning, how you interact with your family, how you interact with your friends. Post this on, you just have to post this on YouTube channel, and you'll get people that will be interesting to watch your videos like every single day. So this is what this guy Marwa does, and he gets more than 2 million views every single month just by a lot of people just watching different things that this guy posts, like how he wakes up in the morning, he takes good care of his horses and all that, and he generates reasonable amount of money. And the other good thing about this guy, I was really interested, is that he helps a lot of people in his village, and a lot of people in his village, they're now YouTubers because of him. And all these new YouTubers from this village, which is called Nyabohansa from Kenya, these people right now, they're driving amazing cars, they're having good houses, and they were motivated by just one guy who is Marwa. You can see how powerful YouTube is. YouTube has transformed the lives of different people in Nyabohanse, Kenya. And this is like the best thing that I want you to see right now. If you just go ahead and you have to search Nyabohanse on YouTube, you can see a lot of people on YouTube right now. And all these people, they were inspired by this guy called Marwa. So I just wanted to say that if you are thinking about creating a YouTube channel right now, the best way for you to do is to go ahead and start vlogging. Vlogging is becoming more and more common, and the very good thing about these vlogging videos is that you're going to build good connection between you and your audience. This is very important because every time that you get any problem, this audience will be there for you. This audience will be there to donate money for you. This audience will be there to help you and support you. And I'm just going to be honest with you that all this success that we see this guy from Kenya, Maro, has is that it's not just from YouTube ad revenue, but the money that he receives, other money comes from audience. They just send him money like, hey, you have to take this money to buy this and this, to take good care of your family and all that. And you know what I was really interested about this guy, last year he built this house for only 3 weeks, and this house was special for this grandma who was, living in a very bad condition. So this guy decided to build this house for her, and he gave this house to her. He changed completely this grandma's life. So you can see how powerful YouTube is if you're just going to use YouTube in a good way, in a purposeful way. And I'm pretty sure that if you're going to start YouTube right now with genuine intention, you're going to be successful. So all I can say that it's not going to be overnight success. It can take maybe 3 months or 6 months for you to start to get noticed on YouTube, and it can get 2 years for you to be successful on YouTube. So you just have to be consistent. You just have to be posting like every single day or every single week for you to be noticed on YouTube. So I just decided to tell you that there are a lot of things that anyone can do, especially if you have no skills, especially if you have nothing to do right now. You can just start posting your daily activities on YouTube, and people will start falling in love with that content, and later on you can start monetize what you post on YouTube. So thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope that this guy Maro from Kenya has inspired you the same he inspired me. It really inspired me, like, how can you just post your videos like how you wake up in the morning, how you do this and do that, and still making up to $10,000, up to $20,000 just by doing that. This guy is a truly example of legend, but also of icon, because he has inspired a lot of people from Kenya, Africa. So if you're from America, Europe, if you're from Asia, start vlogging. This is the best advice that I can advise you right now, because there are a lot of people out there, they are asking like what to do to start making money, a reasonable amount of money. And I think the best way for you to start making a reasonable amount of money is by you becoming a vlogger. So this is it for today. Thanks so much, and I really hope to see you next time.